Hell no.
Oh,
yeah.
Table's nice and unstable.
Oh, let's wait until I keep bumping it.
Joanne, you buckle a hole in
Stop bumping it.
I know.
I'm allowed to bump.
We're recording.
Oh, shit. My bad.
No, I'm just kidding.
Robert, I even got your big head on that one.
One.
Recording right now?
We're recording.
I'm about to do a little something here at Looney's.
What the frick is that?
I don't want
What's
that.
for?
I ain't drinking that bullshit.
Let me back. I'm gonna back this up a little
We
bit.
thought you might be a little. Oh,
One down. Is that bothering you right there?
No.
She got no room. She's still knows what to get away from everything.
Here, you got to pan around and look at our
Panorama.
our starter.
Oh, you're all right. Go ahead.
Our starters.
Panorama.
I don't think they understand the concept of,
Would you leave the beer over there, please? Hello? Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo.
Shuddy.
Shuddy movie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're all right.
I'm making a design,
We're just
right?
trying to see our pre-drink festivities.
We're
You're all right.
making
You
a
sound like that.
design.
You ain't in one.
Care if I'm really or not, bitches.
Rugby's gonna get mad at you.
Oh, you all right?
All right, people.
Well, they left.
They said you got to drink a 40 in under 10 minutes. I'm gonna drink 48 and 4 beers and some Mad Dog Dragon.
Oh, no.
Thanks to Mr. Captain Mike over there on the dragon fruit there and partying here at Looney's. So you know,
That's right, bitches.
we gotta do what we gotta do. There's that. You see that? You know what that is, right?
Dragon Foot!
And here you go. And the 4 beers. That's 48 ounces. That's over 40.
Let me get my calculator out.
Poosh! There's one.
There's one of the beers.
Woo!
That's a piss poor shot.
I ain't right-handed, so
Well,
I gotta use my left hand for the beer.
You only got 8 minutes now because you talked for 2 minutes.
Uh-oh. Down to 8-minute challenge.
8-minute challenge, 48 ounces of beer, and the pint of Mad Dog? Ain't gonna happen.
I hear a chunk, and he'll be chucking around the corner when he chunks.
And what kind of sausage?
He'll be chucking around.
You're checking the whole camera, asshole.
What's that freaking camera hall?
There you go.
I feel like I'm in
I'm not a
Haiti.
camera hog. I'm a audio hog. Get it right. He's in the video. I can't be in the video because he gotta be in the video.
You can get behind me and go.
Was that a belch I heard?
Bunch of them.
Yeah, there's a couple buttons in there.
I'm like,
One down, 255.
This shit is ice cold. Woo-wee.
Ain't nobody. Did you just take my beer? Yeah, you did.
That's a good possibility.
Yours is right.
Hey man, give her a beer,
There's
man.
more. They make it every day.
Bud
Hey,
Light.
calm down.
Drink your natty,
We
bitch.
got 3 of you guys on there the whole
Here.
video.
Here's number 2. I hit it that time.
You was a little hot.
Yeah, I'll be a little high here in a minute.
Shut up. I told you
You
that.
can sit over. I'm done now.
Huh?
Nice belch coming up. Come here.
These beers ain't warm.
Did you get the one out of the freezer?
Mm-hmm.
Ice cold, brother.
They're not
Ice
as
cold.
cold as.
They're
Kick
not.
them ass.
You sure? That's kind of piss warm, isn't it?
Wow.
That's lovely.
Who's the shout out go to that one? Who likes that? Who likes the Belgians?
I do. That's the voice I heard.
Look at that.
There's that smell I smelt.
Yeah, right.
Look, my feet is up on this first one.
Here, let me know. Jump over.
Is
Is that your son? Is that your son?
No.
This
is.
No, that's
It's his significant other.
I ought to get Captain Mike over here in this challenge too and see how quick he can drink this 24-ounce bottle of Corona. I think he can do it
They're all pink.
pretty bleeping quick if you know what I'm talking about.
pretty
Pretty
quick.
bleeping? Pretty bleeping?
Yeah, they said you ain't allowed to cuss. I heard Mr. Looney say there one time on one of his that
I said poopy.
you can't cuss.
It's wrong with his nuts out last week, but you can't cuss.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. His nuts was
We're
hanging out
rude, but
last
we're
week,
not
so I
rude.
can't cuss. Fuck it, get over here, Captain Mike. pull you up a chair. Come over here. Running out of time.
You're not a very good footstool.
How many minutes is it on? 5:21. Well, you better pick the pace up.
5:21.
Second beer.
Brian,
You know
go
where
get
your
it.
buddy's at?
You got 10 minutes. Hell, you talk for 2.
So what's up with... You have to tell me. Come here, come here, come here. Come here.
Got a meeting in the ladies' room. I'll be
Number
back.
3.
Go to the bathroom.
You're from you ain't hit yet.
I started almost hit her with it. Have my mind on other things if you know what I mean.
You gotta go to the left a little bit.
Looney.
What's up, mate?
What the fuck you doing, Looney? Go fuck off there. Put your ass up. Put that motherfucker away.
$6.28.
You better hurry.
Uh-oh. 4 beers. And a pint. Better pick the pace up. You want to hang with Captain.
Is this radio on the right frequency?
It's on rock.
Oh, I'll look for a little Latina. Are you sure it's not on the right run?
Did you see that? He's messing with you.
Hey.
I'm gonna change that radio for you. Let's get you going.
Fine job, Robert. You're doing good, babe. Get her did. Now I think your beard's growing. Oh!
Bullseye.
Not bad.
That was in your faces.
How you feeling? Bloated?
Yeah.
Couple belches for...
There you go. Get that nicotine all wrapped up.
Throw some shout outs. Get any shout outs out there where you're dying of smoke?
No shout out. Just drinking. Trying to get this shit down.
There's nothing like a little Christmas music with your challenge.
Change it. Serious radio? I didn't put nothing on it. It's Robert's first video.
I hope you have a good one.
First video is going to be a good one. 48 ounces and a pint under 10 minutes. He started 2 minutes in though, but we got to keep him under 10 minutes. Wow.
What is it?
820.
Ain't gonna happen. I'll have the 40 done, but the pint ain't gonna get done. Look how cold that motherfucker
Oh,
is.
she be done.
It's got fucking frost on it. Look at that shit, man.
Close your beak
That frost will fuck you up. Don't.
and go to drink.
Let me hit this cigarette again.
Well, you gotta have that.
It tastes so good with that beer.
Coagulate them arteries a little more.
Not coagulate. What did you
It was already open. Drink another one, Captain Mike.
A bit. Yeah. Come on,
Cameraman can't hold still.
buddy. You can't tell me that.
You got time. 9:15. Chug it. You got about 2 minutes pounded on.
Uh-oh. Oh! Hey, buddy. Please hit the sink.
Oh! Was that foam?
I don't need that all over my floor.
Was that foam?
Yeah.
It ain't happening. Look at his eyes.
He's
fucking-
tapping out. Come on, you can do it. Everybody's counting on you. Puke or go home. Get the trash can close to him.
Hold the fuck up. Hey, look, afterwards you can have a little celery to calm your
Yeah.
stomach.
Fuck you and your celery.
Come on, bud.
Piece of cake. It's only 4 beers. Only 50
Oh, you
ounces.
picked up 4 beers in your jacket.
Beers are gone. Under 8 minutes. 48 ounces.
That there will calm your stomach. Just like it has Pepto.
Yeah.
And the dart shot. That's Captain Mike's
Signature.
patent, signature move.
Try to get this down, see what I can do. Hopefully I don't put no red shit in the trash can.
Please don't. It messed my white bag all up.
Oh, you got to chug more than that. Come on, chug it. Take a big chug. Oh, there's that
Uh-oh.
face. He thought it was going to taste like fruit punch, didn't he?
Santa's getting bugged up.
Talk to me.
Huh?
Look at it, nice.
What do you want me to say? That shit is cold. Look at it.
It's frosty.
That's frost.
Unlike your mouth being frosty. There you go,
There you go.
baby.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's my bet line. Instead of made by Peterbilt, it's made by Bet Line. Is he done?
Nah.
Come on, you only got a little swig, Big.
Try to keep it down.
48 ounces of beer and a pint of Mad Dog under 10 minutes. That's a hell of a challenge. And it's gone. Gone.
Ah, nicely.
What do you think now? How about a good belcher?
We're done.
Big
Gotta
belch
wait a minute for the belch.
Big belch and he's puking.
We got till daylight. Battery won't go dead till then.
Nope, I'm good.
You good?
Good.
See you till.
Here till you get loony.
Do that.